Welcome to Salad Saturdays. So, I'm going to start a new series because I like to make salads on the weekends, and I thought, let me share with you the salads that I make. So, here we go. So, I started off by cooking around 6 to 8 ounces of bacon. Honestly, I'm guessing at the amount, and it's cooked. Here, I have sweet baby lettuce leaves. Use what you've got. A red onion, I'll slice thinly. Here, I'm going to be using a maple pecans glazed mix. I have a fresh pear. Sometimes I like to use apple. And I'm going to be using marinated baby beets. So let's put the salad together. I chopped everything and prepped it already. Typically, I like to just add everything in a bowl, give it a mix, and then everyone can add their own salad dressing. But because I'm going to do a thumbnail and I'm filming this, I'm trying to make it look a little artsy. Okay, so I'm going to add my bacon crumbles. And this is pretty much kind of how I cook lunch or make lunch on Saturdays. It's always a big bowl of some sort of salad. So I thought you might want to see what I'm making and it might give you an idea. Now, this salad, I don't have a name for it. It's pretty close to a winter blue salad. I know in the restaurants they add the glazed pecans with pear, onion, and it always has blue cheese crumbles. Well, today I'm using blue cheese dressing. Do what you will. I love a good crumbled blue cheese anything on my salad. So I'm just going to add it right to the center, 1 or 2 tablespoons. So this salad is going to be mine, and then I'll work on 2 others for my husband and son. So here is my salad, and I'm going to make my husband one. He's hungry, and he liked a lot of extra stuff on it to make it heartier. It looks really good. So it's time to eat. Here you go.
Thank you.
So everyone is quietly eating and they seem to be happy. So this is Salad Saturdays, Day 1, Episode 1. And I don't know. I hope you give it a try. See you in the next video.